world? Welcome back to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go by the moniker aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender when bartending. This week we have a special drink on display. We're going to teach you how to make a Vodka Gimlet. And now we got the drink out the way. Let's talk about the ingredients that it takes to make a Vodka Gimlet. You need vodka, simple syrup, and lime juice. Quick sidebar, for those who don't know how to make a simple syrup, now this is an easy recipe. You can make it at home, and we're about to give you the steps that it takes to make it. Now we got our ingredients out of the way. Let's make this bad boy. We're gonna build this cocktail over ice into our shaker tin. So first step we need to do, we need to pour 1 ounce of alcohol. So that's 1 ounce of vodka, ½ ounce of simple syrup, another half of lime juice. Now it's shaking time. You shook in your cocktail, now you just gotta drain it into your glass. Now we have our cocktail prepared, let's garnish. And that, my friends, how you make the perfect Vodka Gimlet. Thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. We look forward to seeing you each and every week. Feel free to go to our social media platforms. We on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.